Firm Hewatele has secured US dollars, that is 20 million, which is about 3 billion shillings, for construction of a medical oxygen manufacturing facility at Tatu City. Now, the facility is expected to commence operations within a year, with the help meet demand for medical-grade liquid oxygen in healthcare facilities in Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania.
Expected to begin operations in late Q1 2025, the facility marks the first modern liquid oxygen manufacturing plant in East Africa in the last 60 years. It aims to meet the growing demand for medical-grade liquid oxygen in healthcare facilities across Kenya, Uganda, and northern Tanzania. The facility will ensure sustainable and affordable access to medicinal oxygen, especially for maternal and child healthcare. Hewatele's facility, with increased production capacity, aims to reduce costs for rural and urban healthcare customers by up to 30%, addressing issues like unpredictable deliveries and high transportation costs. Tatu City will create 50 new direct full-time jobs and over 100 indirect jobs, stimulating the local economy and becoming a vital part of the healthcare ecosystem in Kiambu County. This initiative aligns with Tatu City's broader vision, where more than 75 businesses are thriving in a business-friendly environment, contributing to a new way of living and thinking for all Kenyans.